Hey, welcome to another episode of Sticky Situation. On this episode, it's going to be a really short, simple one. I'm just fixing my trunk latch for my Kia Optima, and it is a 2014 Kia Optima. And the problem I have is this trunk latch here, for some reason, just stopped working. So I can close it, and it doesn't latch. See that? But yeah, that's highly annoying because I drive anywhere and the trunk just automatically pops up. I tried pulling all the levers and seeing what was happening, but apparently these break down pretty quick. So the toughest part of this job, I guess, is going to be getting the protective cover off of the trunk lid without busting all the little pins in there. So I'm going to try. Of course, I have the right tools, but just not with me. They're somewhere. They're lost somewhere. I don't know. Anyway, so we're going to try popping that off, and then we'll switch out that mechanism. Hello there.
I suspect that once I'm done with the milk, I just throw it in the trash can or like.
Yeah, because we don't have a recycle bin anymore.
Okay.
Alright, so this tool worked really good. You just have to kind of get under the first layer of those little tabs. Since the tabs look something like this, where they have this little pinch that pulls it down. So if you push this part down, sorry, it's hard to do with one hand. So if you put it in there. Okay, so this is how it's connected. Off of this one, I just have to pop that little clip off, and then pop that out there and switch it over. Here's the part I got. It's the same as this one. Just latches in and it connects over there. So fairly simple. It's just getting this. Most people have trouble with this little pin thing because there's a secret technique to getting it off. So we'll get that done. But I have to do it one-handed, I guess. Okay.
Just so that you guys know.
Okay, good, thanks for letting us know. There we go. Yeah, the button on the side is just this little one right there. You just have to push that in and then run your screwdriver up alongside of it and jiggle it out. A little bit easier, not too hard. Let's get cracking on it. Too big. Looks like this one should just pop to the side, but it doesn't. It's weird. This way, man. Okay, we've taken it off. Now we just gotta hook it back together. So first things first is gonna be getting this little piece in here, which just fits neatly in the groove very easily and slides in. So that's how simple it is. It took 3 seconds. Just gotta make sure you get in that groove and get it in there right. Then we can bolt it back on and plug it in and hopefully it'll work. Let's see. One came with a new cable. Okay, we've got it all installed. So I got all the clips back in. Now we get to test it and see how it works. Yay, it works. Pop the lever, pops back up. Good to go. So simple fix. That part cost me $18, I think, with shipping and everything on eBay. And it would have cost $350 if I took it to the dealership to have them change it. So 15-minute, half hour of your filming process. Fairly simple. So let's put that insulator cover back on and we're good to go. And that is it. So I got everything put back together. So thanks for stopping by. I hope you learned something. I hope it was worth it. Save yourself a couple bucks. And we'll see you on the next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you, my friends. Have a good night.